crispy, spicy, and straight from South Indian streets. Do you know the one trick that makes masala vada stay crunchy for hours? Let's find out. Wash chana dal several times until water turns clear. Soak it for 2 hours. Chana dal must be fully tender and soaked without any hard center. This is an indication to know the dal is soaked enough. Drain off and set aside. Make sure there is no water in the dal. Do not over soak. Add the soaked lentils in a mixer grinder or blender. Without adding any water, grind to a coarse mixture. I have not added any water while grinding. Some whole chana dal will be there in the mixture. Transfer the mixture in a bowl. In a mortar and pestle, add cumin seeds, coriander seeds, fennel seeds. Gently pound until lightly crushed. Now add chopped onions, chopped ginger, chopped green chilies and curry leaves, chopped coriander leaves, add Asafoetida, turmeric, pounded spices, salt and lemon juice. Mix the mixture with the spoon. Mix together all the ingredients to get a well-binding mixture. Now make small or medium-sized balls from the mixture. Place them on a tray or a plate. Heat oil for deep frying in a kadai or a pan on medium heat. When the oil is hot enough for frying, take balls and flatten them. Carefully slit the prepared dal vadas in the hot oil. Fry them for a couple of minutes and then turn over with a slotted spoon and fry the other side. Lower the flame when frying if the oil becomes too hot. Fry till they become golden and crisp. When the onions on the crust of the vada looks golden, this means the vada is done. Crispy outside, soft inside. That's the magic of masala vada or chana vada. Now tell me, would you enjoy it with hot chai or coconut chutney or just as it is?